This is how the hungry dog eats. Fast. Can't eat fast enough. And it's not like the big dog comes and takes his food. He just eats fast. I don't even think he chews it. It just goes right down. And he's done. Y'all done? Now it's water time. The boys are so good, they drink out of water at the same time. Everybody drink. I drink, you drink, we all drink. Good boys. And that was the last scoop for the night. Everybody's done. Well, there might be one little pebble left. Good boys.